Now, we're going to look at the tutorial on how to migrate it to a new project. First, you need to configure the input actions. If you're using Unreal Engine 5.2 or higher, you can use the Enhanced Input subsystem. I'll leave all the input action names in the video description and in the documentation in case you have any questions.
Okay, the next step is to add the component to the character class. Note, if you are integrating this with a project that doesn't use a camera directly on the character, for example, ALS V4, you will need to change the camera type parameter to Camera Manager. Camera zoom options will also not be available for these projects. In this case, we will leave it in Camera Component, because the character has the camera added directly to this same class. Now we are going to look for the system's example character to copy the inputs that allow us to pick up items, activate, and interact with the system. And we will paste it into the new character's blueprint. With this, we've finished integrating the component. Now, we're going to set up the animations. First, we'll migrate the animation blueprint to the new skeleton. Here, we select the new skeleton we want to migrate the animations to. In this case, it is called Manny, which is the default skeleton in Unreal Engine 5 third-person projects. The next step is to configure the animation blueprint for the new character. Alright, we are also going to migrate the animation montages to the new character, and then we'll add them to the system's data table. Perfect, guys! With this, you now have the system integrated into your projects. Now to use it, you just need to drag the weapon item blueprint into your map and configure which weapon you want. I'm going to adjust the character's camera slightly so it can aim correctly. If your project already has an aiming system, this step is not necessary. Great! That's all for this video, guys. I hope you found it very helpful for your projects. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming tutorials.